Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing and help me to grow day by day. Also love your and appreciate your comments. Please keep on doing. Today one Mass Olympiad challenge based on infinite product. Evaluate the infinite product n equals to 0 to infinity 1 plus 1 over 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power n. So this is a small question but tricky question. And when I have also posted some infinite product question before. So when the question is about infinity, what we do, we just change this your this is same as product n equals to 0 to n 1 plus 2 power 2 power n, and we do what, we change this capital N to infinity. So next we'll analyze the terms in the product. So limit n tends to infinity. First is 1 plus 1 over 2, 2 power 0. Next will be 1 plus 1 over 2, 2 power 1. 1 plus 1 over 2, 2 power 2. So on, and last will be 1 plus 1 over 2, 2 power n. So this is same as limit n tends to infinity. It will be 1 plus 2 to the power 0 is 1, so it will be 1 plus 1 over 2. 2 power 1 is 2, so it will be 1 plus 1 over 2 square, or it will be 4. Then it will be 2 power 2 is 4. This will be 2 power 2. That will be 1 plus 2 power 4. And last will be 1 plus 1 over 2 power n. So what to do next? Next is let x equals to half. Let x be half, or in place of half I'll put x. Then let us see what will the series. So it will be limit n tends to infinity. You are getting 1 plus x here, plus x square, 1 plus x power 4. Next will be 1 plus x to the power 8, and last will be 1 plus x to the power 2n. X be half. So I am getting the series limit n tends to infinity 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, plus x power 4, so on, 1 plus x power twice n, or 2 power n. So I will multiply all the terms with their conjugate to make a square. So this will be, first term will be 1 minus x square by 1 minus x. Second will be 1 minus x power 4 by 1 minus x square. Third term will be 1 minus x to the power 8 by 1 minus x power 4, so on. And last one will be 1 minus x to the 2 power n plus 1 by 1 minus x to power n. What will be the term last but 1? It will be n plus x 2 power n minus 1. So here I'll get, by conjugate, you'll get 1 minus x power 2n. So you will find that each terms are cancelled, leaving the first denominator and the last numerator. 1 minus x 2 power n plus 1 over x. So this is the telescopic product. Now again substituting the value of half in place of x, I am getting limit n tends to infinity 1 minus half power 2 power plus 1 over 1 minus half. So half 2 power n plus 1, and when limit n tends to infinity, this equals to your 0. So ultimate result is, here the product is n equals to 0 to infinity, your 1 plus 1 by 2 power n equals to your 1 minus 0 by 1 minus half. It will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 2. So this is the final answer.